Hello, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things. I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope you're having a great day or a day of your choice. And I am going to ask you to like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I am on my way to 1,500 subscribers. I'm very close now, and I'm going to have a big giveaway for 1,500. I've got a giveaway coming up on August 1st for my 2-year anniversary on YouTube. So stay tuned for those things coming up. But today, I'm so excited. I got this fairly quickly. It is my Boxycharm Premium, and it is heavy as hell. Heavy as hell. I already know one of the things. There's a couple things I know that's in there. I know my Norvina ABH Volume 3 is in here, which I do not have. I've got volumes 1 and 4, but I don't have 3 or 2 or 5. So that's plenty of information about that. This is what it looks like on the inside. Very pretty. It's a beautiful card. And it's got a code to buy one, get one free. Buy one, get one 50% off at AnastasiaBeverlyHills.com, which is very cool. And let's start with at the very beginning. Let's see if I can't get this stationary for me. There we go. And I will get my calculator out so I can keep track and tally all the value of this $35 a month box. The premium is a lot of fun. And you get fun things like this takeover, and it is in this beautiful orange box with the butterflies. And I'm wearing the Pro Palette #1 today in this video, and I'll have a video with this look coming up shortly. Oh, these are so heavy and hefty. You really feel the quality in the time that was taken to make this a beautiful palette. That is stunning. And it's got lots of greens and oranges and a little kick of purple in the corner. And some yellows. And this color right here looks amazing. I can't wait to do a look with it, and I will do a look with it in the near future. So I'm going to put that, I don't have anywhere to put anything. My desk is tiny, but it's all right. Let's see what else we have. And that is a $60 value. And then the rest of the box looks like this. There's lots of stuff in here. And I will start with this, and it is a duo shadow brush, and it is teeny tiny. And it's a dual-ended shadow brush, compact and perfect for on-the-go application. The synthetic brush allows you, here I'll put it from my face, allows you to deposit color, highlight, and pack shadow with the flat end, and diffuse and blend out with the fluffy end. Oh, it's dual-ended. I'm a little slow. So that's nice. And that'll be great for travel. And that brush is $16. Next up we have, I'm really excited to see what I got. Oh, an Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in a very deep color called Malt. I was really hoping I would get the mascara. And it says that this is it's a nice brown color. I don't know, I might wear it in the fall. But I'm not sure about their formula. I like long-lasting formulas, and I don't know that this will hang out as long as I like to have a lipstick hang out. It says that it is a full pigment liquid lip formula that dries down to a weightless matte finish for smudge-proof wearability and long-lasting color. All the liquid lipsticks say that. The comfortable formula delivers full coverage wear that creates the appearance of fuller lips and lasts all day. $20. So we're at 96 right now. Next we have the Brow Definer Triangular Brow Pencil. And it is in medium brown, which is perfect for my eyebrows. And I've never had an ABH pencil. And it says, Brow Definer by Anastasia Beverly Hills is an all-in-one, there's a spoolie, is an all-in-one triangular tipped retractable pencil to define, and that's not like a good size, to define, detail, and fill in eyebrows. Featuring 3 different sized edges, the pencil delivers ultimate application versatility with ease, while the custom spoolie blends for natural looking finish at $23. I'm excited about this because it's in my color, and I'm always doing my brows. Next up is a loose highlighter from ABH. Ooh, shiny. And this is loose highlighter by Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's a shimmering loose highlight powder with highly reflective iridescent pearls that deliver an intensity sparkly payoff. The easy to blend formula has soft velvety texture and leaves you with silky finish like a loose powder version of ABH's Glow Kits. The finely milled lightweight powder allows buildable coverage, as you can create everything from subtle luminosity to dramatic high reflective looks. And this is $25. I love the top because it's all glittery. And I'm not going to open it, but it looks like it's a pale gold color. It might work for me. A lot of golds are too, and this is called Vegas. A lot of golds are a little too intense for my fair skin, my fair complexion, my porcelain skin. Oh. And then we have the ABH translucent setting powder. If I had a nickel for all the setting powders I have right now, I would have at least $1. And it's a nice looking jar. It's perfectly brightened and set makeup in place with loose setting powder by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This lightweight, super fine powder formula goes on smooth and it absorbs oil, minimizes pores, and leaves you with a flawless matte finish. Silky formula gives complexion a seamless soft focus effect, blurs the look of imperfections, and extends the wear of your makeup. $38. And it's a big old jar. It's big, and it will last a long time. So let's go over the box. I got loose setting powder. I got the Vegas loose highlighter. I got the brow pencil. I got a liquid lipstick. I've got a brush, and I've got the volume 3 palette. So for $35, this is pretty daggone good. I have $182 value. I'm going to add this up one more time because I don't think that's right. $182. That's what it is. $182 value for $35. That's pretty good. And these are some really nice high-end products. I hope you have enjoyed this. I'm okay with the box. I don't love it. I was really hoping for the mascara because I've heard great things about the mascara. But not too shabby for $35. I mean, even if I didn't get anything but the palette, I'd be happy. So there it is. Have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.